Good medical morning. Let's start with this pop from Tensa. It's titled Hurt So Much. But before we continue, can you determine what this gigantic plug is? We'll come back to it in a moment. Now, check out this eye sty. Now, let's look at a few of my favorite pops. Oh, and after I tell you a little bit about Thynergy, I'll show you even more bonus pops, so stick around for the end of the video. So, was this packing material? Some sort of wart? Or some sort of sebum or dried infection? Leave your medical opinions below. Do we have any Jersey Shore fans out there? If so, please check out this shout out from Snooki about Thynergy.
Hey everyone, this is Snooki and I wanted to give a shout out to all the crew at Thynergy. I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing and congrats on hitting your goals. Yes, queens. So I lost a lot of weight too, thank Christ. So I know how hard it is to lose the weight and stay in shape. I get it, guys. So keep up the good work. You guys are doing great. Good job. Mwah.
So there you have it. Nicole, aka Snooki, is a big fan of our favorite weight loss supplement, Thynergy. I use it for a boost before a workout and as an appetite suppressant. So order yours today through Amazon with the Amazon link in the description below. Bonus.